2024 Honda Pilot. And we're replacing safety sensor. If you take a look at the picture, you might think
Post it, you'll save somebody's life. You want to make it funny? Hey, it's no sensors here, so don't think about it. 2024
yeah.
Pilot. Let's get into it.
So when you look at the picture, you might think that it's on the pillar, but it's not. It's right here between seats of the second row. And it's right there. I know you cannot see it, but I guess now you can see it. You see that thing? Oh, that's a sensor. So you move this thing away. Now you see it better. Here it is, that safety sensor. So now we need to find a way how to take it out. First, you need to disconnect the plug since it's still bolted on. It's gonna be easier for you. Alright, so here we go again. There's a spot. There's a cover for the rear seat. Take it off and you can reach that sensor with long range. I don't know if you're able to see it, but it goes from here to there. So you hold it with your arm here, and what you do here, then you go like this. You just loose that bolt with a long ratchet wrench. So here comes bolt. Oop, oop, oop. Here comes that amazing sensor. There you go, buddy. And bolt, and that wrench is here. Okay. Here's the replacement. PC number. That's the guy. So now we need to put it back. Okay. Sensors there. Now bolt. So you start it with your fingers and go all the way and then you tight it with the wrench. So after you put everything, you need to plug the connector. It's I already did that because I wasn't able to make the video. Put this thing back and put the cover.